Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a really cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Kansept Main Street, and this one was sent to me by Kansept. Really appreciate that. This is the Lightning Anno version with the Damascus blade, and looks really cool. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this actually is not the first time I've had this one apart, because I did a video and then realized that I was off screen too much. I had it zoomed in too much, so we're going to try not to have that happen this time. T8 on the pivot, and what I did here was, this is a free spinning pivot, so I just put a little pressure on the blade to get that pivot screw turning, and we will put that in the alcohol there, and then we will go ahead and take this body screw out, and the body screw is a T8 as well. And here we go with another one. And I'm going to have to take out the pocket clip, because that's going through the titanium into those liners, and we're going to have to take that liner off here in just a second. So go ahead and pop that loose and set that to the side. Keep those screws separate, and then let's see if we can get that to turn loose. There's that one, and that one's still wanting to, there it goes. All right, and then that should pop this side off. Okay, let's go ahead and push that pivot through. Okay, there it goes. Got everything in a bind here. There it goes. It's actually held on by the oil that was there. All right, so I did want to mention that there are 3 positions here for that spring. So you're going to want to take that loose and have those set the same way on both sides. And then I think this turns and unscrews, but it doesn't seem to be wanting to do that. There it goes. Keep one finger there and just unscrew this side, and it looks like it actually unscrewed from the other side. Okay, that works too. All right, so we're going to drop this bearing here in there, and we're going to drop that in there. Let's get a cotton swab and start cleaning this stuff up here. We've got that that one's still held there. It's kind of captured with that spring on that side, and we don't really have to take both sides off on this, so we're just going to clean everything up. If we had to take both sides off, then obviously you would need to take those 2 body screws off, and which would also loosen those standoffs up as well. All right, wipe that down. And I don't know that I did this one. I think I started and then got to explaining. And that was actually too much oil. We don't need that much oil. We're going to use something a little different this time. I'm going to grab another alcohol swab here, and we can go ahead and get those bearings out and let those be drying. And then while that's happening, I'm going to take an alcohol or a cotton tip applicator and clean up those areas there. It's not, this is actually not too bad. I actually take my T8 and do this to help remove any Loctite from the threads. It's not actually going to break that Loctite down, but sometimes it softens it up a little bit and allows it to come apart ever so just a bit easier. All right, we can actually use that T8 on this one since this is a free spinning pivot there with screws on both sides. All right, let me get a cotton tip applicator here. And let's take this blade and clean where the pivot goes. And also just check and make sure we don't have anything where that where the blade rides on that that lock. And get where the pivot goes. We're good there. Set that to the side. I'm going to grab this and clean where the pivot goes. And then the same thing on this side. Clean where that pivot goes. All right. Okay, I am going to actually install this just like I would a regular knife, and something I actually did on the other video and or didn't do and said that I should have done. So we're just going to put a little drop of oil on each side. It doesn't take much, and I was using the applicator that that wanted to put out a bit more than it needed to. So we're just going to put a little bit there, put the other bearing on, and again just a tad, and it'll spread out. And I'm putting it right up next to the pivot. It'll spread out, so that's not a big deal. And then we're going to put this here. Now, nope, we're going to take that back off because we need to put that stop pin there. And then we're going to take this and put this in place here. And then we are going to hold everything. It's actually going to put that there, and I want to see if I can't screw this back together. All right. Okay. And then I took this out of the middle one, so I'm just going to pop that back in the middle one, not the light. So if I want a heavier feel to that spring, then I would put it in this one up here. But this one's not bad. All right, so, and I'll let the pivot slip out. Let's see if I can get that to fit back in. And we'll take some of the tension off with that, moving that lock bar. And see if we can get it to line back up. Sometimes we can take and try to move things over just a little bit. All right, let's try opening. Oops. We are moving stuff seriously now. You want to be careful not to cut yourself when you do this, and I may end up having to take this and I bet you, well, looks like everything stayed in place. We'll find out here shortly. So we open this up, and I think there we go. Okay. Let's check and make sure. Looks like our bearings stayed in place. That's good. And then we're just going to take and put that pivot on. We'll take the T8, we'll get a little bit of Loctite. And put it on. Again, doesn't take a whole lot, just a little bit. And we'll push that through. Put a little bit of tension on that blade again and get that in place. We'll go ahead and put the body screws on. I got a new mat here, and it's a little bit different. It's got some pretty deep pockets there, and it doesn't allow for easy getting to stuff sometimes. We're going to tighten that one up. Tighten that one up. Let's see how we feel here. Not bad. I'm actually going to back it off just a little bit. I got to get that. Pocket clip back on. All right, I'm going to tighten it back up just a hair. I detected just a little bit of movement there. Okay, let's try that. But I find that I actually use the pocket clip a lot of times to help grip a knife. And if you ever try it without a pocket clip on it, you'll know what I mean. Sometimes certain knives don't, they feel totally different without the pocket clip on it. All right, I'm going to tighten those pocket clip, and then I'm actually going to come back and check, make sure all the body screws are tight, and check that one more time. Yeah, that feels good. All right, so there you have it. That is the Kansept Main Street and disassembly and cleaning. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Hope to see you again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks.